Today, me and my daughter Melody are here to demonstrate how to set out a pear tree. This is a pineapple pear tree. It's a very good pear tree for the deep south. It's resistant to fire blight, and it's a very fast grower. The spot on this pear tree that I'm pointing to is the graft line. This is where the pear tree was grafted at. You want to make sure when you set out a pear tree that this graft is above the ground. So just make sure you plant it this deep. And if you'll notice, I'm just kind of getting these roots untangled. Melody, would you hold that for a second? Hold it straight. I know this. Thank you. There you go. We'll put a little bit of dirt under it. Perfect. Okay, you want to hold it straight today? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Good job, Melody.